Civic. Needs an alternator and a set of front brakes replaced on it. All right, here we have a 2013 Honda Civic. It's gonna be getting some front brakes, and it has a weak failing alternator that was tested 3 times. Double check the battery terminals and make sure that they were straight. They on it pretty tight. So we're gonna start with the alternator. Hella simple, as you can see. It's gonna be probably a 19mm as the tensioner right there. Get something to hold that belt right there. All right, pretty simple procedures. 2 12mm, one at the top, one at the bottom. You would need a deep socket 12 to get to it. That way you're not interfering with the pulley. I think it's the water pump that's in the way. Yep. There we go. It's for the bottom. I think that's the new alternator. See how it bolts up. This one just pry right out, take them bolts out. Alright, we got that alternator installed, got everything hooked back up, including the belt. Now we're gonna work on these brakes. All right, fresh brakes, new alternator. Trying to pump some brakes. All right, now to DeSoto. I'm on my 3rd shirt today. We're rolling out to DeSoto to look at Honda, and then we're going to be checking out Infiniti. I've been maintaining this Infiniti for about 5-6 years now. It's going to need just an oil change, and probably just another set of front brakes and multi-point inspection. It may need some additional stuff, we'll see.